Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Disney Infinity on mobile. The Disney Infinity mobile application was a fantastic way to enjoy the game's unique features away from your console. It provided a portable version of the Toy Box mode, allowing you to build and customize worlds using hundreds of virtual toys and characters. This mobile experience brought the magic of Disney and Pixar directly to your handheld device, offering a convenient way to engage with your favorite franchises. The Disney Infinity mobile app was widely accessible on various devices. You could find it on Apple's App Store for iOS devices like iPhones and iPads, and on the Google Play Store for Android smartphones and tablets. To ensure the best experience, a device with sufficient processing power and memory was recommended. The app was designed to run smoothly on most modern mobile platforms available at the time of its release, offering a consistent experience across different brands. Within the mobile app, players could dive into the expansive Toy Box mode, creating imaginative worlds with a vast array of Disney and Pixar elements. You could unlock new characters, vehicles, and playset pieces by entering web codes found with physical figures or by purchasing them digitally. The app also featured exclusive minigames and challenges, providing unique gameplay experiences tailored for touch controls. These features made the mobile version a rich and engaging extension of the console game. Unfortunately, the Disney Infinity mobile app is no longer available for download or active play. The servers supporting the game's online features, including cloud saves and community content, were officially shut down several years ago. This means that while the console versions of Disney Infinity remain playable for their offline content and local multiplayer, the mobile application is no longer functional. For those seeking similar experiences, exploring other creative sandbox games on mobile platforms might be a good alternative.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.